just add the marshmallows and let's go. Go where? Camping. Can I come? Sure. Now let's go. Well, like, where should we settle? Just follow me. Now let's go find some sticks to start a campfire. So does anyone know how to start a campfire? No? Me neither. So who says we can have unroasted marshmallows? I do. Do you guys want to tell spooky stories? I don't know. Come on. Tell us one. Once, there was a girl. She wanted to go camping, so she did. But the problem was, she went by herself. She stepped in the woods, and the next thing you knew, she was gone. Well, what happened to her? No one knows. It happened 5 years ago. Let's not talk about it anymore. Let's just have some snacks. Guys, let's go rock climbing. Okay. Come on, McKenna. Grab my hand.
Stop. Seriously, stop. Stop messing with my friend. Stop messing with her. She's my best friend. Stop. Stop. Stop.
McKenna, are you okay? Yeah, just a bad dream. You know that mystery girl isn't real. Yeah, I think I know. Let's go investigate. We're almost there. What are they doing here?
Throw this football, and they will be so scared they'll run away. Ow!
Are you guys okay? Yeah. Why'd you do that? I didn't do it. So are you saying that it was
Mystery girl! Ah!